In this tutorial, we will be learning about the code panel in Adobe Edge. First of all, we are opening our bouncing ball project. This is the bouncing ball project that we have created. Now, suppose if you want to add your own custom JavaScript code in an Adobe Edge project, how do you do that? Well, it is very easy. First of all, select the element on which you want to apply your custom JavaScript code. Let's say this ball. So we'll select this ball and right click on that. Here you can see open actions for ball. This is the last option in the drop down menu. You'll select it and here you can see this window. This is the code window. It says add an event to start coding. How do we add event? Using this plus button. When you click on that, there will be several events like click, double click, mouse over, mouse down, mouse move, mouse up, mouse out, touch start, touch move, touch end, mouse enter, mouse leave, and focus, which is based on jQuery. Let's say we want to add this click event. Here, the code panel is open and now we can add any JavaScript we want. Let's say we want to add a simple alert box which says hello. We save it. As we save it, it disappears. Now let's preview this one. To preview that, press Ctrl Enter. Now when we click on this ball, alert box hello will appear. If I click elsewhere, the alert box doesn't come. But as I click on this ball, it appears. This is because we have added code to our this element. This is how we can add custom JavaScript code into any element in Adobe Edge Animate. Thank you.